Okay, so our live stream have connected successfully everywhere. Ladies and gentlemen, let's start our live stream. So, hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the live stream of zbit.com. Thank you so much, all the people who are coming every day on the live stream, being a part of this live stream, learning from the live stream, asking your doubts, asking a question, everything, whatever you need help from the live stream. Thank you so much for coming in because this live stream isn't complete without all you people. Plus, it's incomplete about the host. If I am not here, then you are not here. If you are not here, then I am not here, basically. So thank you so much for all the people who are joining this live stream daily, and I will appreciate you to share this live stream more and more to the lots of people so that a lot of people will get to know about Zbit, get to know about what Zbit is offering to a lot of you people, which you should be getting a hold of. Zbit is not offering just a platform, but so much more than just a platform for you to earn a good amount of profit. Zbit is also offering you a chance to start your passive source of income so that you can achieve financial freedom. Zbit is not only offering that, but Zbit is also offering such a huge rewards, such kind of rewards which will make you feel like it's a very fake company. That how they can give a free cryptocurrency, how they can give a free trade, how they can give like so much huge commission, so much huge things just for referring the account and every of those things. So it might sound very fishy, but it's not. This is the open heart. This is a big heart of a Cbit who welcomes you whenever you be a part of his family, whenever you register the Cbit app and be a family of Cbit. Cbit welcomes you with an open heart. And like I said to you, a five-finger hold, which rewards you with the five rewards. I'll be talking about those rewards. I'll be talking about what the CBT is. I'll be talking about those things because a lot of people still don't know the CBT. A lot of people still don't know what kind of rewards they can achieve. It's just on the other side, and you need to cross the CBT bridge. That's all you need to do. Every rewards, everything is just on the other part. Samilo, I'm willing to learn. Okay. Okay, cool, Samilo. Welcome on the live stream. I will teach you the trading as well. I will help you learn trading in the most easiest manner. I will show you that there is one second. Let's see. I will show you one channel. It's our channel only. It's not some other channel. It is called as Cheesy Bit, CEEZEEBIT. If you click on here, and then you go on the live section, and from that live section, if you keep on going down, 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 you can clearly see this is our video only, this is me again. So if you keep on going down, 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 and start from the very beginning of this live stream, then I have started this videos from the very basic, very basic, like for beginners to learn. I have started from the candles. I have
Thing is
made
to
a whole
understand that it
course.
will
Basically, you can
have
consider
a
this as a course
downtrend.
in which I
As you
am
can see, it
trading
is having
what,
a huge
how to
amount of
learn to
downtrend.
trade, how to
Downtrend,
find
again,
real
I'm
gold,
telling you,
what kind
it
of things you
means
need to know
that
for understand
sellers
trading, which you can
are
see I'm just trading
dominant.
over here, and I am teaching
For a
or I'm
safe
trading to
trading, you
all of
should
you
wait
guys
for
over
the
here.
next
So
candle
Samuel,
and
if you
put your
want to
buy
learn
order
from the
on the
most
high point.
basic, then come at this platform, learn the basics, and whatever your doubt is, ask me, because this is like almost a month of a course which I have uploaded here. It took me a month to complete the whole course, from candles, chart patterns, market understanding, market structure, supply zone, demand zone, fair value gap, market structure, and there are some strategies, SMC strategies, ORB strategies, everything I've explained in all this, in all of this. Like there are a lot of types of other things, everything I've explained it, you can clearly see over here. In this I'm
Breakout is
explaining you
when there is
chart
an
patterns,
uptrend.
each and every of those things
Breakdown is
in
when the
most
market
detail,
is in a
in most
downtrend.
simplest way
Very
I've
simple.
explained you. So if you are really
Okay.
willing to learn it, watch
So
those
right now you
videos,
can
because
clearly
see,
see that
each
this
video
is
is
a
like almost
breakdown
2 2 hour
part.
videos,
Before that,
and I
if
come
I
on the
give
live
you
stream
a
for
little
4 hours only, and
psychology,
I know this
it
for a
reached to
fact that you
R3,
will
then
not
came
stay on
down,
this live
reached
stream for
S3,
4
then
hours.
again took a
Even
support,
if I
then
right now
went
start
to
teaching you from the
R.
basics,
It
I
was
will start
3
speaking, and
or
there will be
4.
a one
Oh,
part
it
where you
looks
will
like
leave this
Om
live
now,
stream, and
but it's
whatever I've
not
start
Om.
speaking will go on
And then
text.
it came, but
So
at
for
this point
that
it didn't
thing,
took a
I
support and
know
it
that you are not
actually
going to be here
break
for 4 hours on this live
down
stream
the
learning
support
trading
line, and
from
it
me.
is called a
You won't learn.
breakdown. That's
So
a
just
breakdown
watch
point.
those
It
old
can be
videos of mine
right
in
now
which
it's
I
a
have
line, but
taught
when I take
each
you
and
to
everything
the chart,
regarding
you will see that
how
there
to
is a
do a
certain
trading, how to find a trade,
down,
what kind
and
of
from
chart
that
pattern which you
place
can
the
see,
market
everything.
went up.
Okay,
When I am
see,
saying
you
took
left right
support,
now.
it is not like it's taking
That's why
support from
I know those
someone,
people. Like they
it is
will
taking someone
comment,
from
but
some
they won't.
subjective people. I
They
am not
don't
talking
put
about any
effort in
subject.
staying. They don't put effort in knowing. I've started, like a lot of people have asked me like teach me trading or something. Okay, Samuel came back. Okay, so Samuel, this is the channel which is called as Cheesy Bit CH. You can take a screenshot of this if you want. This is the channel name, CHEEZEEBIT. Okay, so watch those videos, understand, make a note sort of it, and also if you feel there is any doubt in anything, you can come on this live stream and ask me those doubt. I will solve those doubts for you. Solving doubts on the live stream is okay, because if I start teaching you those things, it will take a lot of big time. Every live stream, because I've started channel as well, I do live trading as well, I don't get that much time to teach you trading on the live stream, like completely from the basics. If you have any doubt, I can give you some those tips, tricks, every of those things. But if you see that you want to start from the beginning, then this is the channel which you should go watch those videos and be over here, ask me doubts, you will learn. And this is just my videos only, okay? This is not somebody else's video. This is my video in which I'm teaching you everything in the live market as well. See, target, breakout, tap to buy, and blah blah blah, everything you can see at that videos. Okay, so watch those videos, gain the knowledge, gain the skill, take notes, make a notes. And also if you have any doubt, anything, make sure that you are writing it on the notepad or whatever you want to write it on. Okay, so cool. Thank you for asking. Thank you for showing your willingness to learn. I appreciate it. I really appreciate it. But just put efforts in learning, because see, without a knowledge, you should not enter any department. It's not just about trading. It's not about like this live stream or something like that. You want to do anything in your life, you first have to gain knowledge regarding it. You cannot just jump there and you will see, like I will see what's happening over down there and then I will learn about it. No, that's not how it should be. You will also you always needs to gain the knowledge, gain the skills of the place where you want to go. Got it? Now, like as I was saying to all of the people, that I will be talking about a little about Zbit, the offers Zbit has to offer to all the new users, because there are still so many people, they are still not willing to download the Zbit because they don't know what Zbit is ready to offer you all people. So I would love to talk about the Zbit first to all the new people who doesn't even know what Zbit is about. They might think that this is like a normal trade, like this is an independent channel which I come over here and I take a trade and I have started a challenge and blah blah thing. But this is not an independent channel. This channel is regarding Zbit. For all those people who don't know about Zbit and want to know about Zbit, Zbit is a crypto exchange platform. Crypto exchange platform means what? Crypto exchange platform which offers you to be a part of crypto trading and take a trade in the cryptocurrency. It can be for spot trading, it can be for the future trading, and start earning a good amount of profit. I hope like till now point everybody knows that there is one trading called crypto trading which is existing and which is the most profitable trading out there at this point right now. Trust me, compared to stock, compared to indices, compared to commodities, compared to any other trading platforms, trading markets, crypto market is the most profitable, the most money attracting market, which we can see that lots of money is pouring into the market, like more than like there is not a single stock, there is not a single indices, there is not a single commodities who is having a 4 trillion worth of market cap. Who had, okay, right now the market cap is dropped because the money is gone from the market. So before, like I'm saying, the past, like it was just 2 to 3 months ago, we hit 4 trillion in the market cap of the Bitcoin, which is like never been there in any other stocks, in any other indices, in any other commodities. That showcase just one and one thing, that so many people are interested, so many people are willing, so many people are ready to invest their hard-earned money because they know this fact that money can earn money if you put that thing on work. Because if you think, do not see a lot of people like the one like struggling with a job, they have a lot of headaches on their head, like there are financial problems, they have this, they have that, they underestimate money in one thing, and they also think that money is a gold. If you buy a gold, keep that gold in a house for 1 to 2 years, that gold can give you profit, okay, but your cash which is sitting at the home, sitting in the bank, is not going to give you a profit because it is not a gold, okay. The cash, the money which are still stacked inside your maybe house, your basically your savings I'm talking about, okay, the savings which you're having, those are not meant to stay at one place. I'm not saying that you have to pour every of your life saving into the trading and lose everything or gain profit as big as this, but start by a little. Then you will realize this, yes, I am gaining profit from this. Then add a little more and add more profit, add little more profit, add little more profit, and then you will realize it that money which was staying inside your house for so long year, and you wasted such a good opportunity for those years where money could have earned another money for you if you would have put an investment, if you would have put your money at work, okay. So money staying at one place is not at all good. It is not a gold. To be very fair, have this psychology, because trading requires psychology. Even being a rich person requires psychology. And there is no fact about it. The people who are coming on this live stream, the people who are joining this live stream, the people who are tapping on this live stream and coming on this live stream, they have one mindset that they want to be rich. They have this one mindset that they want to like start their financial freedom. They have this one mindset that they want to have a passive source of income. They have this one mindset that a part of their job salary, a part of their whatever like money source, wherever it's coming, it's not about just job, okay, like wherever your money source is coming from, you want to increase that money, you want to change your status from whatever it is, from lower to the middle, from middle to the high, to the high to the rich, to the rich to the richest. You want to change, that's why you are tapping into this. So if you already decided, if you already had a thought, if you're already having this thought like staying at position at what I am right now is not good, I have to change the status, I have to go, I have to upgrade myself, I have to lift up myself from the society, I have to lift up myself from in my eye, I have to lift up myself from the whole place, that requires the investment. Without putting investment, you cannot go anywhere. anywhere. Seriously, if you are a generational rich guy, then congratulations, you are the one of the most luckiest sperm out there if you have a generational thing. But if you don't have, then this is point, like you have to earn that generation thing so that you're apart, the other generation will enjoy it in your name. Okay, and that will require investment. Making your money sit at one place is not gonna make you rich. It's not gonna make your money double, triple, four time, five times, six times. And at this time of your life, like you have been seeing so many reels, like I have seen so many reels in Instagram and about this, like this 2024, 25 will be making the most of the millionaires and billionaires compared to any of the era because of the AI. Yeah, there is AI out there. You can make so many of the like companies, like blah blah work and blah blah work just by sitting at your house, just by commanding, giving a prompt to the AI, and he can do all of your work, and you can make actually million billion dollars from the with the use of AI. And they are saying that you, like, people will be after 2 to 3 or 4 to 5 years, they will be having a FOMO, of fear of FOMO is basically fear of missing out, that you will be having a fear of missing out from that opportunity. That opportunity was just in front of you and you never grabbed it. I have a FOMO of 2014, 2015. Okay. At those points, like when I was in school, I was like in 2014, 15, I think I was in 10th standard. At that moment, like, see, whenever we used to talk kids and blah, blah, blah thing, like every day we talk in the lunchtime, whenever we have a time, we used to have this conversation sometimes, like there is something called Bitcoin out there in the market. I don't know why, but people are mining it, and we used to laugh like how people are mining the money. We used to think this is a scam. We used to think that this is such a stupid idea to mine a money to have a digital currency. Why we need a digital currency? What are we going to do with the digital currency? And now I regret. I feel that FOMO thing, that I missed out such a great opportunity when it came to everybody. It's not just me, okay? It's just not me. Actually, all the people who are at there, like like in like 15 to 20 years, at the age of when the Bitcoin was there, like in 2014, 15, the Bitcoin got a little worldwide hype. Like something is out there which is giving not profit but making a little change in, like there is a new currency which is born, which people thought that it is just like for fun or something. Like there is just like, how, what is digital currency, how a digital currency can be a thing, even a currency which I cannot touch, a currency which cannot have, a currency which I cannot never hold in my hand. It's just out there. I can see it that it is there, but it is never there. And for that, I have to do mining for money. Really, we used to think like that. I used to think like that. And I have a fear of missing out on that position. Like, what if I had believed inside the Bitcoin and I would have started mining at that moment? I really, 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 this is a very honest response. If I would have started mining over there, I wouldn't have been on this live stream right now. I would have been at somewhere in a very, like, at some mansion or something like that. Because see, if I have done mining at this point, mining rate was good at that point. Every day, in a day, you could mine 1 to 2 to 3 to 4 bitcoins and every of those things, which would be like giving me, like, till right now point, if I started mining or something, I would have been having like maybe 10,000 20,000 BTC, which is a lot. Even if right now I get 10 bitcoin, that is done. My life is done. Even if I get 10 BTC, I will just go away from some places. I will do some investment, do something. 10 BTC can change your life. For some people, even 1 BTC can change your life. 1 BTC, no, not 1 BTC, but yeah, like more than, like 10 BTC is a good. 10 BTC is like you can change your life with it, a good life. And that's what I used to think. Like at that moment, I missed out those opportunity, but now I don't. Always go by your instinct whenever you feel, and this is that one of those moments where you should feel that this is a point. One market called as crypto market is in front of you to grab the opportunity, to be in a successful place, to be earn a good amount of profit. and there is no government control, plus there is no banking system controlling the money. What else do you require? At those point we used to think that it is like, how a government cannot control it, government has everything control, how a money cannot be transferred, even if it's there is no bank, then how we can be transferred? We never believed in the blockchain systems or anything. Now we do, and now we are running toward it, because that's what is going to give you a status upliftment of whatever from something big. Be a part of crypto trading, and I can show you the one of the best beginner friendly app, one of the best. Why I'm saying this? Because see, compared to stock, compared to indices, compared to the commodities, crypto market is hard to understand. No doubt on it, no doubt on it, that yes, compared to those small slow moving market, crypto market is difficult to understand because it's very fast moving market. It's same like, what if I pick a person from a village and I put him into the Mumbai locals? He will be very like, what's happening over here? How there are so many peoples? How can I go inside when there is so many people? They will feel that thing like it's very fast moving city. Same thing a person will feel when he comes from the stock to the crypto market. This is a very fast moving market, which can give you, which can make you rich very faster as well, no doubt on it. But it also can make you a poor person in a fast way as well. But for that, you don't have to worry. That's the reason why I said one of the best friendly app is the Zbit.com. Zbit.com is a crypto exchange platform which offers you that you can start your trading journey with a guide sitting for you 24/7. Not 24/7, sorry, my bad, not 24/7, but yes, sitting for you. Like basically, this live stream, I'm over here in helping you in every of your crypto journey. Wherever you feel any doubt, wherever you feel anything, wherever you think like this is wrong, this is down, this is wrong, this is this, anything, I'm over here sitting for you to help you understand each and everything of the market. Whenever, whatever feel, whatever questions, whatever need you have from your side, I am here to help you and guide you to the crypto market. Not just this, but there are rest more for rewards, there are more for such things that which can give you a very good opportunity, a very good opportunity of getting benefits and benefits and benefits from the zbit.com. Once you come on the platform of zbit.com, the only thing which you will be having is like, how is this the most beginner friendly? It's very simple. Customer service 24/7, plus there are so many huge rewards. Let's talk about those rewards, because obviously if I don't show you the reward, you won't believe the reward. So let me just show you the rewards. Okay, if I click on the sign up over here now, for crossing that bridge, like I said to you, that Zbit is that bridge between you and the crypto markets big profits. But you have to cross that bridge first. If you don't cross, then you cannot have those like big amount of profits into your account, into your bank, into your life, so that you can stop surviving and start living your life. But for that, you have to cross that bridge. And let me tell you this one thing, there is no payment to cross that bridge, there is no effort to cross that bridge. The only thing which you need to put is a country code. Wherever you are from Algeria, you are from wherever you are from, you just have to put the country code, then put the email address, and after that put the password. That's all. That's all is required from Zbit. That is like the most effort you have to put in just this three information, and boom, you have crossed that bridge. You have at the first step of the crypto world starting journey, and there, trust me on this, Zbit will be there holding your hand and giving you a five finger hold by giving you a five rewards. First reward will be getting the first ever crypto asset from zbit.com, and this is no doubt on it, this is no lie, and you will be getting it. Can you see a lucky spin over here? This is that lucky spin which you'll be getting from the market. Where is it? Yeah, this is that lucky spin which you'll be getting from us. Okay, this lucky spin will provide you 8 different option of the coins, 8 different, and winning is 100%. There is no such things like maybe you will get it or maybe you won't get it. No, You will be receiving one cryptocurrency for 100% sure. But which one it will be, that is the question mark, and that is that lucky spin. You can clearly see on that slide over here, worth over $1,200. Now, you have an option of getting BTC over here, the world's most valuable coin. Then world's second most valuable coin, Ethereum also. Then comes altcoin like Solana, XRP, and then comes the meme coins like Doge, Pepe, Shiba Inu. Then comes the Doge. I need charger. Just give me one. I'm bringing charger. I need charger. Charger is needed. Okay, charged. So like I was telling to all of the people regarding this thing, like the first reward itself can get you a BTC, a coin which is the most valuable coin out there in the whole world. There is no single currency which is worth over 90k dollar. One coin is 90k dollar. I'm not talking about two, not talking about three, not talking about four. One coin is 90k dollars. Okay, so right now, yes, is exactly at 90k, $888. So you can round up to 90k for right now. Why? But there is such a thing called as worth over 1,200. See, at that point when we launched that reward for all the new users, the Bitcoin was trading above 120. Okay, so at that point you get the quantity of BTC is 0.001, which is basically, if right now it is 90, that means you will be getting 900 USDT worth of BTC. At that point it was 1,20,000 dollars, so you could have get 1,200 USDT worth of BTC, because if you calculate 0.001, when the price was at 120, 130, 140k, then you could have get $1,200 k worth of BTC. But right now the price has dropped. It's not my fault, it's not Zbit's fault. The price has dropped, so that right now maximum you will get is $900 worth of USDT. But you also have an option of this, like that is a spot coin. Whatever coin you will be getting for the first reward is a spot coin. You will be having it forever and ever in your life, until the point you decide that I don't want it anymore and I'm ready to sell, ready to trade, or ready to convert, whatever you feel like doing it. Okay, and you can withdraw those coins as well. There is no such things like you cannot withdraw it, you have to sell it and blah blah blah. No, you can withdraw that coin as well. Whatever coin you will be getting from the Zbit app at this point, that lucky spin will give you option of BTC, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, Pepe coin, Shiba Inu, and Dogecoin. And there is one more coin I forgot about it. Okay, there are these 8 coins option you get. Generally, people will get meme coins. Like most of the people, majority of people, basically, and rare people will get altcoins. Ultra rare people will get BTC Ethereum. Basically, the algorithm is set in such way that out of 500 new user, one will get BTC. Obviously, because of the value it carries, we cannot provide BTC to everybody. Then basically we will go bankrupt. Like we won't have that huge money to provide BTC to everybody. Okay, yeah, this is not a charity event going on where we can provide charity to everybody. You can understand this thing. Like if you have a gold and there is a gold winning prize, you cannot make everybody win a gold. Okay, you have to pick that selected person to win that goal. Same goes for the Bitcoin as well. If you want to achieve BTC, then you have to be in that 1 in 500. And trust me, till now, point 5 to 6 people have already got BTC. They are those lucky people who in the who came in that algorithm, and they are one in that 500 who received the BTC and Ethereum for a spot coin, which they can hold forever and ever. Okay, so as I was talking to all of people, that this is the first reward, not the last, but the first. The first reward itself is offering you a free cryptocurrency without even asking a single money from you. Have you heard anything till right now point of my speaking that you need to pay this, or you need to pay that, or you need to give us this much amount of money, then I will give you this? No, this is without any money. You have just entered three details till now point, which is country code, email address, and password, and create your account. That's all you did till now point, and that's all you have to do to even get that free cryptocurrency as well. You don't have to pay anything. I will tell you when you have to do what. Till right now point, you don't have to do anything. So you are getting a free cryptocurrency from the Zbit side, and that too maybe BTC, maybe Ethereum, or maybe Solana XRP, or any meme coins you might be getting. That is 100% for sure. Okay, and it is like a spot coin, which you are like basically owner of it. You can have those coin forever, like basically you, without even paying, you can have that thing. Okay, you can sell it, you can convert it, you can withdraw it, up to you whenever and however you want to do it. Got it? Cool. Moving on to the next reward. Like I said to you, Zibit will be on the edge of that bridge, welcoming you to the crypto world with a five-finger hold, giving you five rewards. First reward done. What about second reward? Second reward is also something free, and something that free which everybody in this whole life needs: experience. Whatever we need to do, whatever we need to learn, we have to gather experience in our life so that we can achieve a better excellence in the future or in the present. Now, Zbit offers you that one thing, that I get it, like we get it. And I have admitted this one thing in the starting of the live stream itself, like, yes, cryptocurrency market is a little difficult compared to the stock, compared to indices, compared to the commodities, because this is very fast moving market. So for this fast moving market, we have offered you a free experience of learning the crypto market and in a real way. Okay, what is that way? We offer you a free trade, that you can start your crypto journey, and first trade that is completely free. You don't have to pay us, you don't have to do deposit, you don't have to do investment, but you will be still taking a trade, free trade, learning regarding how the market is going to work, what kind of market we face, what kind of movement we face, and how the market moves. Every of those things you are going to learn. Okay, and this is not like a I'm offering you a demo account or something. No, this is not a demo account. What we're going to do is we will offer you a 20 USDT bonus. That means in the first trade, we will provide you the investment. You don't have to do anything. You just have to take the trade. That's all. That's all you have to do. You just have to take a trade. We will provide you the 20 USDT. You can pick your market. It will give you an option, like if either you want to trade in BTC, either you want to trade in Ethereum, and for what position you want to enter as well. You want to enter for buy position, predicting the price can go up, or you want to enter the sell position, predicting the price can go down. Okay, because it is a future free trading. Spot, to we all know what is spot trading. We all know, we have been doing spot trading since whole of our life. You just don't get it. Like, see, even if you go to a physical shop out there, you buy food, you buy a product, you buy anything, that is basically a spot trading. You give money, he gives you something which you can have it forever. That is basically a spot trading, which for which you don't need an experience, because you are doing that same thing for entire life. Okay, future trading is something, a new concept, which can give you a very good opportunity to be in a profitable state, which can give you a very good opportunity for be like for example to be like rich, basically earn a very huge amount of profits from the market, earn a very heavy amount of profit in the market, and that too is from the both side. Even if its market is crashing, earn profit. Even if the market is pumping, earn profit. That's what future trading gives you an option of. So the second reward is basically first future free trade. For that, you don't have to pay, you don't have to deposit, you don't have to invest. We will give your account a 20 USDT bonus. Once you open the account, once you got the free cryptocurrency, you will be credited with 20 USDT dollar from our side. And once you got credited with that 20 USD dollar from our side, you can take a first free trade. You can enter in the market, then you can know what's happening in the market, how the volatility works, how the market moves, what kind of profit we can get, what kind of loss we can get. Each and every of those things, you get a first free experience by doing the first free trade in the future contract. Okay. Now, there are some, I won't say terms and condition, but there are some things which you should be aware of. First thing, that 20 USDT bonus cannot be withdrawn. Okay. It is for you to take a trade, not to take it home. Very fair. So that investment, you don't have to, you cannot withdraw it. Okay. And plus one more thing, if you don't have to deposit before taking that xyz amount of reward, like before taking the first free trade, do not deposit anything. We strictly, I will strictly inform you this one thing, that if you deposit any amount into that account from your money, basically if you deposit your money into Zbit before using that 20 USD, there is a chance that you might not will get that free experience from the Zbit.com. That 20 USD will be gone from your account. So for not to make it happen, what you need to do is, you do not need to deposit any amount or do not need to invest anything. Just use whatever amount we give it to you. Okay. Do not over smartly think that they gave us 20, I can add 20 more or 10 more, then I can take a more bigger trade or something like that. No, those kind of things are not going to happen. It is not possible in the market to happen. So please be aware of that situation, that no, you cannot have it. You cannot have it like that. Okay. Just give me one moment. One second. Yeah, back. So that second reward, you cannot withdraw that 20 USDT because it is our investment. It is not your investment, which you cannot withdraw directly. That is given to you for taking a free trade. These people ask these common questions. That's why I'm clearing the doubts before you even start trading or before you even using that trade. I'm just putting those common doubts into your head already. Okay. You cannot withdraw that thing. After this, you cannot add more deposit to it to make that thing more bigger, 20 into 30 or 40, by adding your investment into it. You cannot do that. After that thing, there is one thing. Okay. Once you decided, it will give you option, either you want to trade in BTC or either you want to trade in Ethereum. He will ask you one option. You picked one option. Okay. I picked this thing. Whatever example, for example, you picked BTC. Okay. You pick the BTC, that I want to trade in the BTC market. After that, you said that, okay, I right now I want to I want to trade in the BTC market and I want to go for, let's say, buy. Okay, he will ask two options for you. Either you want to do buy or you want to do sell. What does that buy and sell means? Basically, it is not a spot market, it is a future market. We are not buying or selling. Buy and sell it written over there to make you clear your head, like not to make you confused. Generally, if you look like a future, in future, buy is called as long and sell is called as short. Why? There is a difference because in the future we do not buy and we do not sell. What we do is we hold that amount, and after holding that amount, what we do is we just basically enter at like decide whether the price can go up or price can fall down. That's all we predict. Okay, that's why it is called as long and it is called as short, not buy and sell. Got it? So you will be having that two option in your front. Once you click to whatever option, they will show you a very small chart at this point. Okay, if you want to see a bigger chart, just go on trading views, look at the bigger chart, look where the market can go, and then tap into whatever situation you feel. You feel like in the next 1 hour market can go up, you pick the buy option. In the next 1 hour you can see the market can fall down, then you pick the sell option. Simple as that. Why I say next 1 hour? Because this trade is not gonna be forever like it should be. Okay. In the ZBit, we use perpetual contract. Perpetual contract means it has never ending. This perpetual contract has no expiry date. Okay. It has a start date but no expiry date at all. Like means if I take a trade today, which is 2025 November, and since my entry, if the market is still above or still below from my entry point, whatever I decide, either I decide long, then it is the market is still above for 1 year, I can hold my trade for 1 year. And if I decide the market is will go fall down and from that price the market has never went up even for a bit, then I am holding that trade for years and years until the point it crosses and start giving me a loss. That is a perpetual contract that you can hold it forever and ever, same like spot, but the only difference is that you will face, like once the price crosses your entry price in against, if you go for long and it crosses you for the short, if you go for short and crosses you for the long, then you will start having a huge amount of loss. It won't be like you can hold it forever. At that point you need to feed a lot of money into your account to keep yourself getting liquidated from the market. That is a backdrop for it. But if your predictions are good, then it's a very good thing for all of you people because you can just predict and earn profit. So that 20 USD first free trade is gonna be there for 1 hour. That's all. Okay. Once you enter, for example, right now it is almost 11. So when I start my trade at the 11 o'clock, it will go there. It will be there for till what period of a time? Till 12, 1 hour. Before 1 hour, if you have earned profit and you're satisfied with it, okay, like you have captured in that moment itself, a very big candle came, you captured a movement of, let's say you got profit of 5 USDT, 10 USDT, 15, 20, 30, whatsoever USDT profit you get. In that point, in that moment, you are ready and you feel that, okay, I am got enough amount of profit from it and I don't want to extend my trade. So you can close your trade before that 1 hour. You have that option. It's not like that it will be locked for 1 hour, you can't do anything. Okay, before 1 hour if you want to close it, totally fine. It is totally fine. If you want to close it before 1 hour, that is totally fine. But if you want to close it after 1 hour, that is not fine. Automatically that trade will be closed at the countdown of when your 1 hour is finished automatically. If you want to close it before, be my guest, you can do it. Now, what about profit and loss scenario? Okay, let's talk about the loss first. If you face any kind of loss in the market, let's say you opened for a long trade, basically your buy trade, and the market went downwards, which start giving you like loss, -1, -2, -2, 3, 4, 10, 20, or complete 20 is gone from the market. Now, do you have to pay us anything? No, you don't have to give us any money. If you lost money, that is completely fine by us. There is no punishment, or there is no payback thing which you have to do if you lose the money. That was the first free experience which we provided to you. Now, first experience can be good, can be bad. It can be balanced because everything in the life has a good and a bad side. There is not even a single thing in the life which has just a good side. Consider your mother as well, consider your father as well. They both have a good and bad side. Sometimes they are good, sometimes they are bad. Okay. So, this is the market. First experience in the market can be a good or can be a bad. So if it's a bad, you face a loss, you don't have to worry because you don't have to repay us with even the single penny amount. Okay. It's a win-win situation. Even if you lose money, but you're still gaining and winning an experience in how a crypto market works. You have those things like avoid things like which you need to avoid for that XYZ loss in the next moment. You're still getting an experience of how the crypto market works. Got it? Cool. After this thing, what about a profit scenario? If let's say in that 1 hour or before 1 hour, you got, for example, let's talk about like you got 1 USDT profit, 10, 20, 30, 40, whatsoever profit you got. Now that profit is completely your profit. We don't want any share from that XYZ profit. We don't need anything from it. It is completely your profit and you can enjoy it. You can trade with it. You can withdraw it. You can convert it. Whatever you want to do with it, you can do that profit. Do with that profit. Okay. And one more thing. See, most of the people will think in such a way that I had 20 investment, I got $5 profit from it. So in my account, it should be 25 investment plus the profit. But you need to understand this one thing, that investment was never yours. Okay. That was given to you just to take the first free trade. If you earn any sort amount of profit from that XYZ trade, that 20 USDT will be gone from the account and the only profit will be shown in your available balance. Only the profit, not anything, only the profit. Okay. Profit like whatever it is, like for example you earn $5 will be visible in your future account. If you earn 15, 15 will be visible. If you earn 1 will be visible. If you earn 0.5, 0.5 will be visible. Whatsoever profit, complete 100% of that profit will be visible in your account right there without even taking a single percentage from it. We don't require any money from you. Okay. Even if it's a loss, we don't need money. Even if it's a profit, we don't need money. We will be just taking our that basically if you earn profit, that 20% or the 20 USDT which was there to given you to take a free trade will be gone from the account. That's all. And the profit will stay there. Got it? Cool. After this, that profit you can withdraw. That profit, with that profit you can trade. With that profit you can convert. Whatever you want to do, you can do it. Got it? Cool. So this was the second reward. There are still 3 rewards remaining. In the first reward itself, you gain the most valuable currency out there, which is digital currency, that to completely for free of cost. And in the second trade, I gave you the most valuable thing which all the human need is a free experience, a do-over basically. A free experience I provided you of the most profitable market, that too completely without even taking a single penny from you till right now point. I haven't told you right now to do a deposit. I haven't told you right now to invest. These all rewards which you can get: free cryptocurrency, the first free reward without depositing a single amount. Okay. Now let's talk about the third reward. The third reward is basically a feature which is this live stream which Zbit provides to all of you people for being like, there is like, once you start a crypto journey, obviously if you are a new person or even if you are an like a moderate trader or an expert trader or whatsoever kind of trader you are, there might be a situation in front of us that you need some guidance, you need some help, you need to ask something, you need to clear out something. And for that, Zbet has offered you feature completely free of cost,
without even paying any single amount. You can come to this live stream, you can clear your doubt, you can learn trading, you can do trading with me, you can copy trade of mine, you can clear your doubts, whatever. If you are feeling anything like I don't understand Zbit thing, I don't understand how to do withdrawal, do deposit, how to use the future trading, how to use the spot trading, what is margin, what is leverage, what is this, what is that, what is limit order, what is trigger order, what is market order. There are so many things which might be a very new concept for you, which you don't know regarding. Now this is that one live stream which gives you opportunity to clear every of your doubt. Constantly there is, like every day, see, this live stream happens every day. There might be very rare case scenario that there won't be a streamer on this platform, but generally it is a everyday live stream in which it gives you opportunity every day. You have one person on this live stream which will guide you, which will help you, which will provide you the knowledge, which will provide you the guidance, which will provide you a support of anything which you require whenever you feel anything like at your whatsoever crypto journey. If you feel any difficulty that going forward is little difficult, before going forward I need to enhance this skill, I need to enhance this knowledge, or whatsoever this thing, this live stream is regarding that. But there is one drawback of this live stream, that I cannot put my hand inside the screen and wake you up from the delusional or delulu, whatever you are from. Okay. Why? Because this live stream requires action from your side, not from my side. Your action of asking doubts, your actions of asking questions, your actions for gaining, showing interest of gaining knowledge of trading, your actions showing that yes, I am willing to start trading, I'm willing to start learning profit, tell me how to do it. That is the action which you need to provide. If you don't ask, I won't say. If you don't show willingness, I will be just talking about the promotional thing of this Zbit, and then I will be just discussing something like what happened in the market, do a little market analysis of mine, and start my live trading. That's all. Because you can see that this is a challenge which I've started of turning 10 into 1000 USDT, which you can see in on my screen. There is challenge turn 10 into 1000 USDT, which you can see. So I'll be start doing this my thing. So this live stream feature is a free, but it requires one very basic thing, that are willing to grab this opportunity which is completely free of me. Let me tell you this one thing, same like this live stream, same like the course where you can learn the trading from the most basic means, like if you are that nursery kid who doesn't even know what is A, what is B, what is C, what is D, A, B, C, nothing you know about anything. If you still come on this live stream, I can help you understand the trading in the most simplest way, in the most effortless way, so that you can get a hold of trading and you can start earning your profit, the one which you thought you can earn, the one which you thought that you will come on this platform, you can start gain a profit, because you saw a lot of people gaining profit. So efforts and actions are required on the live stream. Put questions, doubts in the comment section. Then and then only you will learn about trading. Then and then only you will enhance your knowledge of the trading and you will start gaining profit. Without knowledge, trading is not profitable, not at all profitable. Okay. There might be one to two coincidence which can happen with you, but nothing other than that. Without knowledge, there is no opportunity for you to gain profit. So gaining knowledge should be the first thing you should be doing, rather than entering with a random positions over somewhere. Gain knowledge, then and then only enter in the market. Okay. And for gaining knowledge, you know which platform to come. A Zbit platform which offers you a free live stream host, a guide over here which can help you in every of your scenario, each and every of the scenario related to the crypto world, whatever it is now. Okay, got it? This is the third thing. There are still two remaining, and these two are recently added. First, we used to have just three rewards, but there are two new reward which Zbit has added recently. One of that is a referral commission which we have started. Referral commission is basically like, even you are not trading, you are not investing money and blah 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 thing, that is totally fine. Why it is totally fine? Because you can start your earning thing by doing a referral commission, by earning from a referral commission. You just have to invite more and more people at the zibit.com, and you can still earn money from it. This is for all those existing users and the new users both. See, everybody has their own invite code. Okay, and I will show you where you can see that invite code. This is the Zibit app. Okay, can you see this is the home page of the Zibit app? This is the home page of Zibit app. And if you tap on the most corner of this, you can see this is the referral. Refer a friend and earn like get rewarded. Refer a friend and earn get rewarded is what you're seeing over here. And this is your invite code, invite link, everything you can get it over here. Okay. So this is that code. Let's say whatever code is that X, Y, and Z. Let's for right now type this code. If you refer it to your friend, your colleague, your family member, anybody you refer it to, that person has to put an invite code at this moment. Okay, this point. Invitation code. Can you see invitation code over here? You have to put an invite code over here, XYZ. They have to copy and paste it. And then only that person will be registered under your name, and which you can track as well. Okay. Once somebody refers under your name, then it will be showcasing. Can you see number of friend right now? It is 0. 1 second. Yeah, number of friend right now it is 0. But once some people add it, some people do it with your refer link, then it will be shown 1, 2, 3, 4. How many? As many people as you bring. Okay. So for refer commission, what you need to do is you need to invite people with your invitation, and that they have to put it at this invitation code. Okay, when they are signing up in the account. After this, there are some levels, because commission is not same for everybody. Commission is same, bigger for those people who invite more people, and less for those people who invite less people. Basically, there are levels: level 1, level 2, level 3, and level 4. In level 1, if you invite more than 1 to 4 people, minimum is 1 and maximum is 4. If you invite 1 to 4 people, then you will be getting 20% of commission. 20% of commission from the Zibit side. Okay. In the level 2, if you invite, let's say if you invite 5 to 9 people, then you get the commission of 30% from the Zibit. If you invite 10 to 29 people, then you get 40% of commission, and you invite 30 or more, then it is infinity, whatever it is. Above 30, it can be anything. Okay. You will be getting just paid 50% of commission. So for you to earn 50% of commission, what you need to do is you need to invite people of this range. Okay, 1 to 4 people, 20% commission. 5 to 9 people, 30% of commission. 10 to 29, 40, 30 and more, 50% of commission you can get. Okay, understood this thing? These are the commission slab which you can have without even doing anything. Just by inviting people, you can still earn a massive rewards, a massive USDT by referring a people. There are some terms and conditions for getting that USDT credited into your account. Okay, what is that? T and C. First term is that you need to put that invite code, that XYZ person needs to put that invite code in that invite link. If he doesn't put invite link over invite code over here, then you are not gonna get that profit. Okay, you are not gonna get it under, because it won't be registered in under your name, because there is no invite code of yours. So invite code, the most necessary thing. Second thing, that guy's first deposit should be from the live stream function. Can you see that inside the live stream there are two functions? One is take a trade and another one is deposit. So he has to tap on that deposit and deposit his first amount whenever he does a deposit. Okay, before that he has to take the previous rewards, which is gaining the first free cryptocurrency, then taking the first free trade. After that, when he starts his trading real journey, then he needs to deposit first deposit. Obviously he will deposit first to start his journey. So for that first deposit should be done from a live stream function, which is under you can clearly see on the comment section. Near the comment section you can see that deposit option over there. Okay, you need to deposit from the live stream function only, whatever amount it is. There is no condition on the amount that he needs to deposit 5, 10. Nah, whatever amount you want to deposit, you can deposit that amount. That is completely fine. Okay, after these things, third, after this third, what you need to do? Third is that that person, XYZ person who is gonna come buy your invite code needs to complete 5 trades. 5 trades should be completed from your from that person's end. Whatever that trade is, buy, sell, or profit, loss. If it's getting profit, that is fine. If it's getting loss, that is also fine. 5 trades should be completed. Even if you just, for example, right now I went for buy. 1 second. Let me show you. Okay, this is the right now market we are watching at. Okay, so even if at right now point, I don't want to limit market order. Okay, I want to buy at 0.5 unit. I bought it. My trade is active and I closed it. Like in within seconds, within a minute, still it will be count as one trade. Okay, it doesn't have to mean that you have to be more than 5 minutes, more than 1 hour in the market. Even if you enter, you close it at that moment, that is also fine, completely fine. And but what is required is that 5 trades should be completed. Once all these 3 conditions are matched, invite code, first deposit via live stream, and 5 trades of that person, then you will get 20, 30, 40, or 50% of commission depending on number of people you have invited. And that is a very good way to earn free USDTs. A very awesome way without even doing anything. Just invite people. And I know this one thing for a fact: a person will have at least 10 to 20 people around him and who is willing to start the crypto journey as well, or willing to download the app as well. Okay, so go and share the invite code of yours. Tell people to download the Zbit as much as possible and earn the free commission on it. Okay, good. After that, the last reward. The last reward is again a feature, and it is called as AI Quant Bot. If you see in your app, there is a new AI Quant bot named Z. Z is the name, which is I pronounce as Z. Okay, Z is the name of that AI bot, which will be giving you what? See, most of the people have a very common thing that I don't know which coin to enter at. Should I enter at this coin? Should I enter at that coin? Which coin can give me profit? Which coin can make me earn a lot of good amount of profit? You don't know regarding that thing. But you don't need to worry, because AI Quant bot named Z will provide you that thing. AI Quant bot named Z will provide you last 1 hour the most trending coin. Okay, this AI bot will give you the most trending coin which people are trading into. Volume is good, transaction is good, and it is pumping like volume is good. Basically means the percentage of the volume market moving is good. Okay, in that those which is trending in the last 1 hour, he will give it to you, and you can take that coin, you can invest in that coin, and you can earn a good amount of profit from those coins. It won't give you, see, it sometimes gives you like what kind of situation you should do, but I won't suggest to just follow it randomly. Okay, because at the end it is an AI, it is just a simple calculation. For example, same indicator as well. See, indicator AI indicators are basically, you can consider them AI, a machine. What they're doing is they're calculating the data which is provided to them. For a moment, for example, suddenly a 10 million investment came for a buy side, 10 million has been bought from the buy end. The indicator will give you a buy signal, that go for buy, go for buy. The next moment, what if the 500 million in withdrawal has came from the crypto market? That is 500 people want 500 million amount of cryptocurrency needs to be sold. Then the whole market will crash from that point. Okay, and this AI cannot detect, because AI don't have a future side, that they won't be saying that what happened in the future. They are just currently calculating the data, calculating the number of investment coming and giving you a signal and making that lines. If they don't have, after 5 minutes, another 50 million is gonna be sold. They don't know regarding that. And once 50 million is gonna sold, they're just gonna give you urgent crossover, and the whole market is gonna stop getting dropped completely, and you're gonna have loss. Okay, so this AI convert also give you a signal of buy and sell. Do not go 100% by that signal of buy and sell. Okay, go by your analyst rather than blaming somebody else. You can blame yourself. That is much more better. You can have regret of yourself. Okay, rather than blaming the ZBit, rather than blaming the AI convert, the con bot said go me for sell, and now I'm the market is going for buy. Why it gave you wrong signal? Blah blah. So it's better. I've told you upfront itself, like do not trust AI's signals, buy or sell signal, any signal which they provide to you, because AI is incapable of looking for and future investment. They don't know in the next 5 minutes what is going to happen. Okay, they just calculate the recent, like calculate the present continuous data which is provided to them, which is this investment came, 10 USD came, 100 USD came, that came, that came, that came. They just calculate, they put it into their calculation, and they give you that XYZ line is getting formed. Okay, got it? No future can be seen by any of those AI. So do not trust the signals of AI con bot which is given to you in the ZBTAG. Just for your benefit, I'm saying it. Okay, if you want to trust. I have no objection in it, because at the end it is not my money which you're trading with. Okay, it is your money which you're trading with. I will show you AI convert. Can you see this is best features, best future coins in the last hour. It will say last hour, and it will give you all those coins. Right now it is giving you 3 coins option. In this 3 coin which you can pick, okay, it will say COM comp USDT, STRK strike USDT, and TIA USDT. These are the 3 coins which is having a best profit right now. It will show you percentage as well. Comp is having 177, strike is having 164, TIA is having 144, 141%. It will show you each and every of the situation in that thing, like what kind of percentage, and this is the signal. Can you see? Buy. It depends on the profit. Like if the market is moving up with a good amount of profit, this which you can see percentage, then it will give you that signal of buy. But it doesn't mean that in the next hour or the next moment it cannot fall. There is always an option for that. There is always a very less, even though it is a less, but there is a probability that it can go against you as well. Okay, because Bitcoin and crypto market is the most uncertain market out there. You cannot predict it 100%. That is never gonna be possible. Expert to expert trader and lowest to lowest trader, they cannot predict the 100% of the market. It is not possible at all. Okay, the only person who basically knows like what is going to happen in the next moment are those people whose investment is put. Like for example, BlackRock CEO knows that when I put, if I am a BlackRock CEO, I'm going to invest a fucking million dollars in the crypto market, then yes, for very sure, yes, I know the next moment when I click on that investment, when I click confirm, put my trade inside, buy me XYZ amount of BTC, the market is going to pump for 5%, 10%, 20%, because I am the one investing that amount. Okay, so with that note, all the rewards of the ZBit is ended. I give you 5-finger hold with the 5-finger rewards at the end of that crypto bridge, where you take the first step of entering the crypto world. First reward, free cryptocurrency. You get a choice from stable, alt, and meme coin. 100% win guarantee. There is no such thing that you will go without a cryptocurrency. You will have one for very sure. Second, free experience of gaining what future trading means, how to do future trading, how the future trading works, everything. If you earn profit, completely yours. If you earn loss, completely mine. Third reward is this live stream, a best feature for you to start earning a good amount of profit via either copy my trade, learn trading for me, gain knowledge, solve your doubts, anything. Fourth is your commission thing, like refer commission reward. Basically, like you have like what you can say, invite more people and get more commission from the ZBit. And last, the final reward is this AI con bot named Z, recently been introduced. If you cannot see that app, if you cannot see AI Conbot in your app, then just go and update your app. Then you will might see that there is, yes, an AI Conbot out there right now. There is that AI Conbot out there right now you will be seeing, okay, which will be giving you the trendiest coin out there, which is right now in the last 1 hour, the most trendiest coin out there. He will provide you that thing. Got it? Cool? Understandable? Now, let me delete all these things. That was a whole walkthrough for all of you people for understanding what Zbit has to offer you, a lot of people, everybody, what Zbit is giving to all of you people as a new user reward. Okay, now the next thing which I want to discuss. Let me log in into my account. Okay, login successful. What happened? Why it looks like this? Why it is white? Let's make it white only. And okay. What if I don't want to see the? Is there any option that I can don't even want to see the grades in my chart?
into by time session. Hello, Crypto Amy. Welcome on the live stream of Zbit platform. Thank you so much for being a part of it. So this is that coin which is given by the AI convert spot and future. Which recommendation is better recommended for newbie traders? Future. Why? Because obviously, if you are a new person, you don't have a very big investment to make. You will enter with a small quantity, like a small, let's say 10 USDT, 20 USDT, or 30 or max 50 USDT, you will enter in the market. Okay. And even in that, from 10 to 20, and hey, which challenge ads I am seeing? Which challenge ads? What do you mean by which challenge ad? Oh, in here, that's not an ad. It is our thing only. That I have started a challenge. You can see that this is the seventh day of my challenge. My profit rate over here. I started with 10 USDT, and right now you can see I have 28 USDT. So it's basically I started a challenge of turning that 10 into 1000, so that because I know most of the new traders will start their journey from this kind of amount like 10, 20. So to make them feel good, to make them feel like you still that 10 can become a good with a good knowledge, so that I started doing a live trading in the last 2 hours, or whenever I get a moment to take a trade, I take a trade and I give them like I give them trades as well. Like this is the point where I'm entering. I show them where I enter, how I'm getting profit, and that is the thing. Like I started with a 10 USDT and I made 18 USDT profit till right now point. It was 30 actually. I lost 2 USDT, and that's why it is 28. Started from the 10. How can I join? You say it doesn't have to be like to join somewhere. Like whenever I go trade, you can do the trade at same point. That's all. That's how you can join. Like whenever I try to take a trade at the same point, and you can join the trade. Okay, there is no other thing like you have to click on something or something like that. No, you can take a trade side by side. Click on the see in the live stream function. You can see there is two options: take a trade and deposit. You can start the deposit of 10 USDT first, and then take a trade whenever I give you trade. Simple. That's all you need to do to be in that channel, to start earning with me in that channel. Okay, 100%. Okay, so just you need to click on the deposit 10 USDT from the live stream, and then take a trade whenever I give you a trade. That's all you need to do. Okay, and which you asked me, which I recommend, spot or future for the beginners, newbie traders. See, for the new traders, I would request you to do the future trading. Why? First of all, very simple. Second, I know a new person will always have a very less investment. They don't have a mentality to invest big. They have that I'm starting. For just a start, I should start with a low amount so that I don't lose a bigger profit. I don't lose a bigger amount, right? So for that thing, what you need to do is do the future trading. In the spot, you will require a heavy investment, because spot is like you will buy XYZ coin and you need to buy at the market price itself. Okay. But in the future, you can use leverage. Even your 10 USDT, for example, can you see leverage over here? This is the future. Can you see leverage? 20x of leverage. That means what? That means basically, let's a second, pencil, not white, black. Okay, that means that if I have 10 USDT, it will be multiplied by 20, which will become 200 USDT. So I am ready to take 200 USDT worth of trade. So with the leverage, you can take a bigger trade. That's why I'm saying you, like for a newbie, even if you have a small investment, small capital, you can make that small capital into a big capital with the help of the future trading. And one more thing in the future trading which is very good and is very beneficial, that you can earn from both the side, not just from buying, not just from selling. You can earn from both. Even if the market is going up, you can gain profit, and even if the market is crashing down, you still can earn profit.
Because in the future trading, what do we do is we do not buy or sell any cryptocurrency. What we do, we just do a gamble, we just do a prediction that yes, I believe the price can go up, and I put the long trade, which will say that your prediction is saying that the price will go up. You can earn profit whenever the market goes up. Okay. And if you predict that the price can fall down, just enter for open short. You can see open short over here. That is basically you predicting that the crypto price will fall down. That's all. Price fall down, you earn profit. Price goes up, you earn profit. Just your prediction needs to be correct. That I believe this is going to happen and that exactly happened. We don't, and that is the most simplest thing. In the future, you just have to think, is my price, the crypto price will go up or will fall down? That's all. You don't have to look for a lot of this thing like if I lose a lot in the future. Shits. That means your predictions are going wrong. To make your prediction good, I will tell you number of things which you need to have. Okay, number of things which you need for enhancing your prediction. First thing you require is market analysis. See, you require market analysis. Market analysis basically what? That how good do you read the market? And by analyzing the market, what can happen the next? Simple to lose my investment. No, that's where you are wrong. That's where your skills are lacking. Skills of what? Skills of market analysis. I told you one thing very honestly before as well. If you don't have a knowledge of trading, do not do trading. It will make you lose money itself, nothing else. So for you not to lose the money, you have to gain a knowledge. It's for like, it's not just for trading, it's for everything. You want to be doctor, you have to gain the skills of doctorate. You want to be engineer, you have to gain the skills of engineer. You want to become pilot, you have to gain a skill of like flying the airplane. If you are bad at all these things, then you are not a good doctor, you are not a good engineer, and you are not a good pilot. You may crash at some moment, your bridge can fall, or your patient can die. Okay, because you lack skill. And that's the same thing like in the trading as well. If you lack a knowledge of trading, then obviously for very obvious reason you are going to face loss. Okay, but if you have a knowledge, then you won't face a loss like that much which you are saying that I lost so much in the future. Okay, so I will, and you don't need to worry because this is that live stream feature. Live stream is that feature which provides you knowledge of the crypto, which will help you enhance your skills, so you don't have to worry regarding anything. Okay, what you need to do is you need to learn market analysis. Okay, what comes under market analysis? Let me just write market analysis. Okay, what comes under market analysis and what does market analysis means? Market analysis is basically understanding of the chart. Whatever is happening inside here is the thing which is going to happen the next. Basically, we read this and then we predict what will happen the next. We don't have any other insider who can give me information like, okay, listen, BlackRock CEO is going to invest right now. We don't have those kind of people for us. What we have is just this right in front of us, that this is the thing which we need to learn, which we need to read, and we can predict what can happen next. Okay, for that, first thing you need require to learn market analysis. First thing is you need to know zones in the market, which is supply zones. Then comes, I have to write it more short so that people can see. Like, second comes demand zone. Third will come your liquidity zone. I will explain each and everything. Okay, you don't have to worry that I'm just naming it. Okay, I'm not just naming it. I will explain each and every of those things. Like, what does it mean? What does that mean? Okay, right now just make me name it, and after that I will explain one by one everything. Fourth come market structure. Is better I will type, because in here if I write it will be very big and you cannot see it, so it's better for me to type. First, supply zone. Second, demand zone. Third, liquidity zone. Fourth, market structure. Fifth, chart patterns. Sixth, candlesticks pattern. Seven, market structure, chart pattern, candlestick pattern, supply demand zone, liquidity, FEG, fair value gap. It is called as fair value gap. Okay, so these are the 7 things which you require to learn. Can you please be in break? This is Sunday morning. I'm supposed to be in church by now. Okay, okay. No issues, no issues, no issues, no issues. I'll be in brief. Okay. These are the things which 7 things which you required for your market analysis skill to be right. This market analysis skills will improve your what? Prediction of what can happen the next in the market. Supply zone means what? Supply zone means when the whales, see, one thing to be very clear, whales, big player, corporate people, these people are the one who is running the whole crypto market. You or other any people, they don't run the market. The whole market is only and only and only at the support of whales, big player, and the corporate people who are investing in the crypto market. Okay. So supply zone means what? When the whale decide to sell in a heavy quantity of the BTC. 10,000 BTC dropped down in the market. We have heard this news that whale liquidated 10,000 BTC. BlackRock CEO liquidated this much. Recently, he liquidated almost 23,000 BTC from the BTC market. That's why we saw such a huge fall of the market from 126 to 84 we saw, because those people liquidated their quantity of what they hold it. Okay. Supply zone means what? That those people are gonna like liquidate in a huge amount. Okay. So this will give you what? Like that point from where market can crash down. Supply zone will give you what? A point from where a market will crash down, for which you will predict what? That the market is gonna go for a short. Prediction of the market can fall. Okay. First thing. Second is a demand zone. Same. Whale, big player or corporate people. Any of those 3 people invested a very huge amount in the market. For example, 10 million, 100 million, 500 million, 200 million. We have seen the recent all-time high was 126. Created by who? Created by BlackRock CEO, because he invested 1 billion in the crypto market. Okay. So that makes a demand zone a straight up whenever market pumps. Okay. Again, created by who? Created by whales, big player, and corporate people. So you have to mark those demand zones so that whenever the market comes to the demand zone, you will predict what? That the market price is gonna go up. Second thing done. Liquidity zone. Liquidity zone is a market trap which we place with you. Plays in what we see. A market needs liquidity to run the market. For example, a car needs a petrol, a car needs a diesel, a car needs a battery to run. In the same way, market needs money to run. So for that, what is going to do is constantly seeking your stop losses, because your stop loss is market's profit. The more he makes you lose the money, the more market is having a profit. So liquidity zones are those zones which is like a trap, which market will make you feel that right now uptrend is gonna go, and in the next moment he's gonna make the whole market fall down, in which you face a lot of good amount of loss. That can be identified by what? It can be identified by the liquidity zone. Market structure. Market structure means understanding what is happening right now in the market. If the market is in uptrend, if the market is in downtrend, basically this is a higher high, higher low situation. This is lower low, lower high situation, and this is a sideways market. There are 3 type of market structure. There are several ways to understand market structure. One is by Elliott wave theory. Second is by just understanding higher high, higher lows, lower high, lower low, lower highs. Okay, uptrend, downtrend, basically. After this market structure done, then there are a lot of chart patterns in the market. Market makes a pattern which will give you a very huge breakouts, either for the bull side, which is market pumping up, or for the dump side, market going down. I will show you very quickly what chart pattern means. Okay, images. See, these are the most common chart patterns you will see, with which you can do your prediction. Whenever you see double bottom, head and shoulder, bearish rising wedge, these are bearish, bullish, everything. This chart pattern will form and it will give you a very good 2 to 3% market either pump if it's a bullish chart pattern, or a dump if it's a bearish chart pattern. Got it? I have already created a lot of long videos regarding chart patterns, what they mean. They will help you predict the market in the best way possible. Okay, this is chart pattern, and then comes the candlestick patterns. Because see, a market is made by candles, and candles can also tell you a lot of different stories. Basically, for example, see, these bigger candles are bigger investment made by whales, big player, or corporate people. And this small candle which you can see is us, retailers. So just by looking at the candlestick patterns, you can understand who is inside the market. Like for example, right now, can we see small candles? That means none of the big player, none of the whales are inside the market to either give you pump or to either give you dump. None. It will just go in a sideways market because our investment is very less to give momentum to the market. Understood? Our 10 USDT, 50 USDT, or max 10,000 USDT cannot give momentum like this. Only these big people's money can give a shift to the market either for upside or either for the downside. Okay, so you need to understand, yeah, you need to understand candlestick patterns. There are also same like this chart patterns. There are candlestick patterns. Okay, there are a lot same like this. You can clearly see this is all thing which you need to learn, which you need to gain knowledge of. What candlestick pattern means, what can come the next, because every candlestick pattern will give you a story what can happen the next. If market is going to reverse, if the market is going to go up, if the market is going to fall down, everything he can give you an understanding of. Okay, the last thing comes is fair value gap. Okay, what do you understand by fair value gap? See, fair value gap is connected to the whales, big player of the market. Okay, right now you can clearly see, like, oh wait, I will put an indicator of fair value gap. This is a fair value gap indicator. Luxalgo, I have put it over here. Can you see this red block? Then there are these green blocks. What do you understand by these green and red blocks? These are, I will like to be in a touch. Are you on Facebook or Instagram? I am on Instagram. I can share you my @ my @ is @Aaron's. That's my Instagram profile. I've shared you that thing. Okay. So what do you understand by fair value gap? Fair value gap is a limit order. I told you market looks for liquidity. Liquidity means market liquidity is what? Money. Okay. So limit order is what? See, people, the whales in the market, they cannot invest 100 million in one go. 100 million. See, I decided I want to invest 100 million. I tapped, I bought it. No, such thing won't happen inside the market, because there is no other person ready to buy 100 million in one go. Nobody is ready. So what happens is, what they do is they basically divide the investment in small parts, maybe in 20-25 or 50-50 twice. 50 million they will invest one, and in the same place, like whatever, for example, if they invested, see, this is that fair value gap. Okay, this is a fair value gap over here. One person invested a one amount over here, let's say 50 million he invested at the same price. Like for example, the price is 90 over here, and the price the market went was 91. This was the price the market went after his investment, right? After that, again the market came down to same movement to go up. This is what fair value gap does. Market will trap go again down because there is another 50 million limit order placed at that point. But make sure to understand this thing. Market will not come down for your 10 USDT, with your 20 USDT, for your 100 or 1000, for 2000 USDT. It is not going to come down for that small USDT. Market will come down only if there is such kind of heavy investment left to be executed. Okay, so to grab those things, can you see market came down exactly at that fair value gap, grabbed that thing and went above. Even over here, market went, then again this red candle came down, tapped into this and went up. I can show you more scenarios like this, more. Okay, can you see a red fair value gap? Like red fair value gap is what? Sell orders are placed. Market, the guy put the order, market fall down. From exactly that order, can you see exactly at that level of the fair value gap where the block is? Market came there and again dropped in. That is another next 50 million of investment executed by the trade. Okay, because this big player, they have a very huge investment to make. They have a very big money which cannot be bought or sold like a finger snap because it requires time. There should be another person ready to buy such huge amount, which they do it in a part wise. Okay, which I can give example over here. See, in the order book, if you understand an order book is what? This is a sell order book. People buying this XYZ, selling this XYZ quantity, and people are buying this XYZ quantity. Okay, order books works like what? If I want to sell 2, there should be another person buying 2 also. If I sell 2, that another person buy 2, we matched, our trade is deal is complete. But can you see this one thing over in the order book? Order books will come like 600, 400 quantity of size, 300, 400, then again, yeah, same 300, 400 is selling. Buying is happening at 62, 44, 11. Okay, this is order getting placed. Got it? Yeah, this is order getting placed. And the trade which is getting placed, can you see the quantity which has been bought? This is the trade which is getting executed, like deal is completed by this 1, 2, 15, 0 point this, 0 point that, 0 point this, 0 point that. But the orders which are getting executed is of what? 100, 200, 300, 400. Why we can't see this 100, 200 thing over here? Because this is the actual trade which is happening over here. These are the trades. Can you see trades? These are the actual trade which is happening at right now point. But in those, we cannot see this 200, 500, 400, which is we can see in the order book. Why? Because none of the people are ready to buy this heavy quantity. So what the market does, they divide this. Divide 400 into small parts, and then they sell it. Okay. So these are the 7 things which you require to make your prediction the best. And trust me, I am giving you my words. If you understand these 7 things, if you master these 7 things, you don't have to worry about the loss. I give you my word on it, because these are the only 7 things which is there in the market to understand, to predict what can be the next. That's all. Okay. A part of this, if you want to have extra knowledge, then you should gain a news. You should start watching news. But news don't affect that much, because news is like once in a month, twice in a month kind of structure. Like some war kind of situation is happening, then the market will drop. If some XYZ company posted that I am having this much profit, then people will start investing in this company. Then that company's shares will go up, or that cryptocurrency is gonna go up. Okay, that is like once in a month kind of situation, not everyday situation. But you should, like, if you want to be updated, get updated with the news, because it helps of knowing what's happening, who has so much, who is holding this. Because see, right now we had a drop of such a huge drop. in BTC. Can you see drop, then drop, then drop, and drop, and drop, and drop, and drop, and drop, and drop, which came till here. Why? Repeat at least 7 analysis. Repeat the list of 7 analysis. What do you mean by repeat the list of 7 analysis? I didn't understand what you said. Crypto Amy, what do you mean by repeat the least of 7 analysis? So you can clearly see that the drop came, such a huge drop came, which thrown the market from 126 level to 84 level. Did anybody question why it happened? Did anybody saw any news that why this thing happened? It happened because of a whale and the BlackRock CEO sold almost 33,000 BTC. Some news will say 33, some will say 23. I'm going with a higher range. Okay, every news channel says some different thing. I'm going with a 33 one. That person sold 33,000 BTC. That's why we saw such a huge dump in the market. We can know such thing only if we are following the news or something, or we are following the zones. Okay, so please understand these things. These are the 7 things which I mentioned out there: supply zone, demand zone, liquidity zone, fair value gap. Okay. You want to see that thing again? Okay, I will write it for you. Don't worry. Supply zone, demand zone, liquidity zone, fair value gap is called as this, fair value gap, FEG for short. Fifth, market, not here, market structure. Sorry for the spelling. Market structure, which will include your uptrend, downtrend, understanding how they are formed basically. Market structure of uptrend, downtrend, sideways, then change of character, then comes your break of structure, then comes order block, okay. This comes under market structure. All the things comes under market structure. Okay, then will 6th is your chart patterns, and 7th is your candlesticks pattern. These are the 7 things which required, and I will tell you in what way do you have to learn. Okay, in what sequence you have to learn. Sequence number 1, understand candlestick pattern. This should be your 1. We will chat later. Got it? Just understand the sequence, in what sequence you need to learn, then you can go. Okay, sequence number 1 is this. You should learn chart pattern. The first, this is first, sorry, candlestick pattern, then chart pattern. The second, market structure. Third is your market structure. You need to learn market structure after that. After this market structure is done, then you need to learn regarding the supply zone. Fourth, demand zone. Fifth, liquidity zone. Sixth, and lastly, learn regarding fair value gap. 7. This is the order: first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and 7th. Okay, learn this and then tell me that if you are having any loss or not. Trust me on this, if you learn all these things, you won't be having a loss. Go. Bye bye. Enjoy your church. Enjoy your Sunday. Thank you so much for being over here. Thank you so much for asking such questions, because that's what this live stream is regarding. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye bye. I will be taking a small break right now. I will be coming back in 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. Then we will discuss what kind of trade we can take and every of those things. Okay. I'll be coming back in short break period. Bye bye, guys. Thank you so much.
Yesterday, let's discuss something about yesterday. Welcome back, everybody. Welcome user 878345. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Thank you so much for coming down to this live stream. We'll discuss something about yesterday's, what happened yesterday, what kind of trade we were trying to take, and why we couldn't take a trade yesterday. We'll discuss everything. Just give me one moment. Delete everything. We were trying to take a trade in Resolve VUSDT. Okay, mark position will be there only. This is Resolve VUSDT. Okay. Okay. So this was my yesterday's trade, which I told you that we should be taking. Okay. First, I told you if we take support from the support line itself, then and then only we'll be taking a long trade, which I will. Yeah, you can see right now. Let me just change the color. Color should be black. Okay. Okay. I told you that we should open a long trade only if it takes support from the support line. Can you see that the market never, yesterday market never touched the support line? It was never touched, never touched the support line. Still, we got a little bit high, but did it touch support zone? No, it did not touch our support zone. From there we saw the market, we saw the breakout. I said whenever this support, this is a support trend line, whenever this support trend line gets a breakout, which is this, then we will enter for our position and we'll keep going at the demand zone. Can you see this was my trade, that market will reach demand zone exactly the same way as I predicted. The same thing happened. The market came down from that support zone breakout and we reached to the demand zone exactly the way I said to you. That's why I'm again and again repeating to all of you people, supply zones, demand zones, liquidity zones are very important. That's those are the zone which moves market moves into those zone itself. You can identify those zone very easily. You can trade on those zones very easily. This was my yesterday's trade. I didn't take the trade yesterday because the my 2 o'clock was done, and from there I went and I didn't take. I should have taken trade after 2 p.m., but after my live stream was done I didn't take a trade. But you can clearly see my target was hit before me leaving. Market was here. This is the market where was here. Can you see 2 p.m, 2 p.m, 2 p.m? Yeah, this was the candle which made the last in the 2 p.m. After that, this is the my candle which is currently at right now price. I told you that I could have earned 26 USDT from it, but I lost the opportunity because I didn't took the trade after my live stream. Okay. After my live stream, I should have taken the trade because exactly the way I said, support breakdown happened, and then we entered for a trade. My target I kept just at the tip of the demand zone, and we can see the market came below our demand zone. Okay, today we won't miss out the trade. Today we'll try to make that trade happen in any case scenario. Yesterday I could have earned more profit, but I didn't take the trade. I didn't take the trade. But that is totally fine. Okay, that is totally fine. It is not. Yesterday I should have taken a trade after live stream, but I didn't got time after live stream, so I didn't take the trade after the live stream, which is fine. Today we'll do it. Today we'll try to recover it. Okay, let's delete everything of yesterday. everything. Okay. Now, what do we see in the market? Market has tapped into our demand zone already. Already, it is tapped. Can market fall more down? That is one question, because see, does it every demand zone will be tapped and will go above is not a thing. Every demand zone cannot be tapped like this until and unless there are whales in the market. The whales have entered in the market and they are pushing the market above. Until we see a very heavy investment over here, we cannot say that the market will have, even though it is on the demand zone right now, we can clearly see that market is at a demand zone, but we won't be having a surety that it will definitely for sure come to my point. But we can see one thing, that there is another demand zone just below my demand zone, which I plotted yesterday. Okay, this is that zone. Let's drag it to the current market. Okay, and from here, let's fix it. This is our current demand zone. The one, this was yesterday's demand zone. This is my today's demand zone. We can see that there is a chance of market to fall down to that moment. There is a heavy chance that market can fall back to this, and let's say what kind of percentage we can earn from here up to this point. 4.51% of the market we can capture easily, very easily we can capture this. Yesterday I should have entered. Regrets are happening, but it is totally fine. We don't have to regret it. If it didn't happen, it didn't happen. Don't carry regrets, because regret will make you take a rushful decisions, and you should not take rushful decision at all in your life. Okay, it doesn't matter. Even if you lost one trade, that doesn't matter. Even if you lose an opportunity, you plotted it, everything, but you are not available at the market to take a trade, that is also fine. I hope the people who were present at my live stream yesterday, they must have taken the trade and they must have earned a lot of good amount of profit, because exactly the way I gave you the trade, that same thing has happened over here. From the support line breakout we had, and from there we captured such big movement. Okay, now one thing is confirmed by us, that market is trying to travel down. One thing is confirmed by us, that market is making lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. That is very confirmed by us, that market is making that. And we can see a demand zone as well. Let's make it in a black color. Okay, and we can see our demand zone as well, and demand zone is here. This is also demand zone. We'll type it demand zone. Okay, and possible zone for market to come up if it takes a rejection. One is this, another one is this. This is a two supply we can capture very easily. These are the supply zone. I will mark it as a red color. Even this. Okay, these are our two supply zones if the market takes a pushback from the demand zone, because we are the demand zone. We have to respect the demand zone as well. It's not like that we will be just neglecting the demand zone and from there the market will fall only. It depends if the market will fall or not. Okay, now from this one point, either if it takes for up direction, we will go for this supply zone. Our target will be these two supply zones, and if it falls down, our target will be this demand zone. That's all. That's all, or nothing else. Just by simply typing the supply and the demand zone in the market, I have got my entry, like where and how I can enter, how much profit I can earn, how much percentage of market I can capture, just by plotting just two things, demand and supply zones in the market. That's all, nothing else I did tell you. I haven't plotted fair value gaps, I haven't plotted anything. Just two things, supply and demand zone, can give me a very best entry, and it has been giving me a best entry, and that's how I'm being earning profit as well. Okay, now It is 22. Okay. In this green candle, can you see a very heavy rejection came from the upside? Can you see a longer upper wick rejection from the sellers? And the candle is also big. That means sellers are inside the market, which means that we can go for a short trade. Okay. At this point, I am thinking and I'm little fixed that let's go for the short side. I'm trying to get the market price somewhere around here. Somewhere around here, if the market comes, then I will enter with 100%, 30x of leverage, and I will open my short. I hope you guys will do the same thing. But let's get market a little pushed above, because as we know, we can clearly see that the buyers is also there in the market. Even though we have just rejection from the top, doesn't mean that the whole seller is going to be inside the market. There is a chance that buyers are also inside the market, and we get an option that the market. See, can you see rejection from the buyer side? Yeah, same scenario. I want to capture some high ground market, maybe near the entry price, and it is possible. Okay, always make sure if you're watching 1 hour candle, even if in 20 minutes you see big green candle, red candle, doesn't mean that after the half an hour there won't be a buyers coming in the market. Okay, there will be a buyers coming in the market after half an hour. It is possible. I want to enter at higher price. Zero point zero 0.07500. Shall I enter from that price? Or half or that price? Getting confused in what point should I enter? Half or that price? But yesterday when I put limit order, my order was not getting executed. When I put limit order, so I don't want to put a limit order. I will closely observe the market and I will try to enter it. Welcome user 640741. Welcome to the live stream. Thank you so much for being on this live stream. I'm trying to find a trade for all you guys and for me as well, because as you can see that we have started the channel challenge of turning 10 into 1000. Try to enter at the higher price. I won't make the same mistake, because I have made such mistake and I have to avoid this mistake, because whenever I used to see a big ring and I will enter at such kind of price, and then after some minute, after few minutes, I will see the market coming at this point. So it's better for me to have a patience and wait for the market to come at this kind of price, and then only I will enter it in the market. Yesterday I lost a big good trade, a very huge big trade I lost. It was a very good trade. This was the breakout candle and we reached to this. This was my yesterday's trade. I told you guys, if you go and check out my previous live stream, you will see somewhere around here. I said that there was support resistance over here. And I said to all people, go by the demand zone. And this was my yesterday's market. I could have captured this whole movement. But it is not there anymore. So it is totally fine. We'll try to take entry today anyhow. Welcome user 772729. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Exactly the demands. You see a hammer candle is formed. Still 30 minutes are left for that candle to close. And we have seen, see, even if this candle closed, we have seen the next candle opens up and comes till this point. Even if this candle doesn't give you confirmation, we might enter the next candle for entering in the market. Do not worry. To be very fair, I really feel that the market is traveling to the original demand zone, which is at 0.05205. That is where the originally market is traveling to. That's what I feel. Market will travel to the original demand zone. From here, this is a supply zone, supply scheme, and you can clearly see this straight up going to the one and only direction of this demand zone. There is no stopping anywhere. Whole market is falling down to the straight demand zone over here. It is liquidating everything which is over here. Main long term thing, not today, not tomorrow, maybe after 4 to 5 days, we can see the market at 0.5205. We can see that thing over here. But for right now trade, let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. We'll find a good entry. We will find a good entry. But do not forget to do the deposit, guys. Deposit is very, very necessary. Deposit, you make sure that you are clicking on that deposit option. that you're clicking on the live stream deposit as much as you can and doing a deposit. A bit rejection. Can you see a bit rejection coming from the market? Rejection, rejection. Commit till this point at least 0.749285, somewhere in here. Till rejection, I need rejection till here to enter in the market for short side. A little upward direction and then we will enter in the market. We need to see a rejection from the market. Without entering the rejection, you should not enter. And you should learn like this, like whatever things I'm doing, in whatever way I'm entering the market, you should learn by observing. Like I don't do rush decisions. I don't enter in the market if the market is falling down. I need to find my perfect entry to enter in the market. Even if I lose entry, that is fine by me. But if I don't enter by on my terms and conditions, then there are maximum time the chances that market can have loss. Welcome user 259613. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being on this live stream. Welcome. Still dragging down. There is still so much time left for us to enter. Okay, still, even if it's going down, let it be. It's fine. Once their effort, their strength, little bit weaks, buyer will try to take control over it. See, rejection started to happen. Let's be ready to enter the market. Market order. Not this much. More rejection. Be ready to enter in the market. Be ready to enter in the market because our entry will come. See, rejection has started to happen. I want to enter somewhere over around here or here. That much rejection I need from the market, and it will become. It will be there. Come on, come on. Sellers have dominance. Say anything, but sellers are dominant. Okay, okay, okay. More. Give me more. More. Little more. Five. Don't make me regret my entry. Give me some more better entry. Give me better entry. Don't make me regret my. I hate when I regret my entries because when I see like market came to more higher price, I should have entered more higher price. That time I regret a lot. I hate it a lot. There are still 20 minutes. There are still more effort will be made by the buyers. It is not like this was the last effort or something. Okay, come on, push, Muna, push. Okay, okay, good, 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 good. Fast, good, more, more. 13. Come on, give me 15, 15, 15. My entry price is 10. Why? Why? Why my entry price is 10? Closure. अरे यार patience, patience, and still I got 0.711. Why? It is going on 1.5. Why I'm getting such kind of entries? Can see market price at that, like 1.4. I'm putting my entry at 1.4. It is getting collected at 1. Well, it's fine. Let it be. I have entered in the market. Even last time we got the same entry 0.07411. I can see 1.5. I'm entering and it is getting me an entry price is giving me a 7411. Why? What's the point of me waiting even then for higher price? Hmm. See, my mark price was okay. We started earning profit. Let's go, boys. 1.1%, 1.4 USDT profit till now point. Okay, we have entered in the market. You can see my profit over here. I will put my position where I've entered. Okay, sorry, I forgot that. 4.1. This is the place I entered. Yes. 7.8. Highest probability. That's the place I okay. That's the place I've entered. And this is the profit I'm hoping to get. Simple. Place I've entered. This is a profit I'm hoping to get. Target I'm trying to achieve 0.07032. That's the target I'm thinking of achieving. 0.0. I'll write over there. Target is 0.07032. That's the price. This is the target I'm keeping. Okay. Entered, keeping my target. Open short. Future trade. Open short future trade. Okay. Till now 1.1% of profit. If we achieve my target, let's see what SL I will get. TP is 0.07032. That is the TP. 100% I will be achieving 41 USDT. Okay, we'll just confirm this. I don't want to put SL. Confirm this. Okay, 41 USDT we are aiming for. 41 USDT. I want to see 41 USDT at this point. Simply we'll aim for that. Main target I want to keep is main target will be this, which is at 0.5 That's the main target, because that is a day demand zone. Okay, we are capturing right now a 1 hour demand zone, not big. We are just capturing 1 hour demand zone. Okay, we are already in 2.4% profit. 30x of leverage I have taken, and margin is isolated. I've entered with 100%. I'm risking everything because that's the way I like. Risking everything. If I touch this point, I'll be earning 41 USDTs. 2.2% of profit already. If I keep SL at this point, SL is 0.7530. Let's see how much of loss I can have at SL. 0.075 something. What was the price? 0.07531. Okay, let's try to see 0.07531. 100%, it will give me 13 USDT minus. Either it is 13 or I am getting 41. Decision is set. Either I'll be losing 13 USDT or I'll be gaining 41 USDT. Set. Till now 1.7 USDT earned till now, right now point. Okay, we'll see more. Anyway, this is my last day of live streaming. I will be coming back after 4 days. So as I'm leaving for 4 days, so I will love all the people to see a big profit. Today I'm going to give you big profit. I am earning 41 because I invested 28 USDTs. So I'm getting 41 over here. Okay. Whatever USDT you are investing, put 30x of leverage, 30x of leverage. Nothing less than that. And just sit back because the target will achieve. I'm telling you, see, since 3 days, whatever target I'm giving, it is getting achieved. So even the third day charm will have the same thing. My target will get achieved. 41 USDTs, no pushbacks, no pullbacks. Either 13 USDT minus or 41 USDT getting credited. That's all. My entry price was, I'll also write my entry price, okay, so that you won't get confused. My entry price, where is this text? Entry I have taken at 0.07411. That's my entry point. Okay, this is the place where I've entered in the market. 0.07411. My target is 0.07032. I hope you are understanding. Simple thing.
and we are trading in Resolve V USDT. Because see, trading in Ethereum, trading in Solana, trading in XRP, BTC, so you cannot trade in Bitcoin, sorry, Zbit. You require 83 USDT to trade in BTC, which we don't have. Okay. I know you don't have 83 USDT. I know I don't have 83 USDT. So we cannot take a trade in BTC for sure. Even in Ethereum, if we take trade, the profit will be very less because the value which will be holding in future, it will be very less. So try to focus on such coins which is under $1. Right now Resolve BT is what, just 0.07 USDT it is. Still it is giving us a profit of 41 USDT. If I put the same trade in Ethereum, it will not even give me profit of 5 to 10 USDTs. And first week, right now point, the main coins like BTC, Ethereum, we don't have momentum in those coins. It is going sideways. So it's rather than just sitting there and watching those sideways market is better. You come see there are so many different options in the Zbit. It's not just Ethereum, it's not just BTC, it's not just Solana XRP. There are so many other options which can give you good amount of profit. Okay. So if you don't know, then use the best Zbit feature, which is the AI Conbot. It will give you these things like the best possible way of the best trendy coins will find out for you and will give you trades. Right now you can see such a good drop we are watching. 5 USDT profit we have already covered with just such a small movement. 5 USD profit we covered. Why? Because we are buying a quantity. Understand one thing, in the crypto market the main game is of quantity. Doesn't matter which coin you are trading. You trade in BTC or you trade in the most shittiest coin, doesn't matter at all. The thing which matter is how much quantity you can hold. The better quantity, the more profit. Right now I am holding almost 10,851 Resolve V USDT. I am holding 10,000 coins. That why I'm having such a huge amount of profit. If I hold, see, with the same, I have 28 USDT. Even if I took 30x of leverage, I can hold at the market price less than, I'm saying, trust me, I can hold less than one, not even one, I feel. I will be holding 0.0 something of Ethereum or 0.000 something of BTC with that small BTC we cannot trade because we don't have 83 USDT. That is a rule. That is a rule of Zbit. Okay. If you want to enter at future of BTC, you need to have 83 USDT in your account. Then and then only you can enter for BTC trade. If you don't have, you cannot enter for future account. Okay. That is a minimum requirement. For Ethereum, we can trade above 20 if you have USDT. You can 10 or 20, and then if you take leverage, then you can enter. But the quantity is what? 0.00 something quantity. Is it going to give you profit? It is not at all going to give you any amount of profit in that. Okay. For example, I can show you live. Right now, we are capturing how much of percentage in the market. I entered from this point and I'm hoping to come over here, which is basically 5.12% of market. Okay, let's go at Ethereum. This is the entry point. For example, I'm just saying, for example, we got entry. Even though we don't have entry at the big coins because they are all consolidating, they are just going a sideways market. There is no big payment coming in the Ethereum and other than market. Okay, if I just go tap over here, where is that measurement? We went for short. Okay, so this is the market price is going on. From market price will drag down to 5%, which is very hard to get. This much market to won't drop for sure. I can give it in a written notice to you. Today market will not drop of 5% of Ethereum because there is none. Whales do not enter in the market at Saturday, Sunday. They don't come. Okay, for them they enjoy their weekend. You should observe this thing. Saturday, Sundays are the choppy sideways market of the Bitcoin, Ethereum, the main hub coins. 5%, even less. Just let's consider, even if it's not going to happen, that I know. But even if let's just consider that yes, today if we achieve 5% in Ethereum, I will show you the difference in the value of how much profit you can earn from the small coins and what kind of profit you can earn from the big coins. Okay, This is a calculator provided by the Zbit itself. You don't have to go anywhere. This is a Zbit calculator. You can calculate your profit and loss, everything. Okay. From here, let's say your entry point is 3005 current market price. Target price is, what is the target price? 1 second. Let me see the target price. Target price to achieve 5% is 2855. Okay, 2855. Entry price 30. What was 3005? 3005. Target price is 2855. 2855. Size of Ethereum, I don't know what kind of size. Let's say, let's ask ChatGTP what kind of size we can hold with that much amount of value. Okay. Ethereum, sorry, Ethereum at price of 3005. I have 28 USDT taking of leverage of 30x. How much size of Ethereum I can buy with this quantity, with this amount investment, basically with this invest. Let's see. So size, we can buy 0.2. Okay, 0.2796. 0.2796 will put our size 0.2796. That is a quantity, not even one. 0.26 quantity we are holding. Okay, calculate. Oh, we are open short. Sorry. Opening short 3005 2855. Quantity was 2.28. What was the quantity? 2.796. 2.796. 796. Calculate what kind of percentage we can get. See, you require 83 USDT. 83. We don't have 83 USDT. We have very less USDT. If you have 83, then you can get 41 USDT profit. Only if you get that. But we don't have it. Let's go to our Revol VUSDT. What kind of profit are we getting? Resolve. Where is Resolve? $7 USDT profit till now point. Till now point we are achieved 7 USDT of profit, aiming for 41. $9 USDT profit till now point. It's a very good place that we have entered. You can see my profit is down here only. Okay, this is my profit. Live trade in Zbit app. So that you can also take the same trade. Why we are taking this trade on the live in the Zbit app? Because I have started the challenge of turning that 10 into 1000. 8.8, 8.6% of profit till now point. It will get achieved. Now all we just have to is sit back and wait for the profit to come into the market. That's all. Rejection happened, but that is totally fine. We don't have to worry regarding rejections things. Rejection are those just point for you to re-enter in the market at a very good price. Hello, user 265077. Welcome on the live stream. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for joining this live stream. Take the live trade which I provided to you in the Resolve USDT. 6.88 till now, 6.88 profit, 7, 7.6. It's changing, it's going, it's changing, it's rejection. Rejections are good. Because you get an opportunity to enter at a higher price. That's why it is good. 5.7. Good rejection is coming, but it's fine. We saw the same exact thing in the previous candle as well, and you saw how it turned out to be a big green candle. So wait. Mm-hmm. 'Welcome user 343204. Welcome to the live stream. I've given you a trade to enter in Resolve BT. If you hit the target, I may be earning 41 USDT because I put 28 USDT with 30x of leverage. You can earn something different, okay? If depending on your capital. $5.9. 7.3, like I said to you, again it dropped down. Even though we are having rejection, those rejections are your chance to enter in the market. So click on that take a trade and take the trade. Welcome user 205636. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. I have given you a trade. You can take the live trade. You can see it's happening on the Zbit app itself. In here, you can see my total balance, my wallet balance, my profit, which is happening over here, the PNL ratio, everything. You can see the live trade, which is here. Target I've kept it 0.07032. That is the target of the market. Hmm. 7.9% of profit till now, 0.7.5. I hope you guys are taking profit. I hope you are earning a good amount of profit from this live trade. Live trade, enter for the challenge, 10 turn into 1000. Tap on the live stream deposit 10 USDT. Start your challenge today with me. Okay. And this is the first trade which you can have. Take a trade and start the challenge. And if you have any doubt, anything regarding you want to ask, please, comment section is all for you, all of you people to clear your doubts and anything information you need from me. Do not forget. अभी ले सकते हैं trade. Why not? Why not? Please take a trade. Please. Z205636. Please take the trade because target is here. This is the target. You can enter at this price. Okay. Market is again and again coming back to 0.07361. Till this point you can enter. Market is again and again coming back to that point. Okay. Now it started falling, but it rejects all the time to here. So if you get, whenever you see rejection of like this, enter at that point, enter at little higher price. Okay. Somewhere around 0.07351 or 0.07359, somewhere around that price, please enter in the market to take the trade, and your target will be 0.07032. That is the target. 8.8 USD till now point. Till now point we have achieved 8.8 USDT. Okay. 7.5 USDT profit till now point. 7.5. Guys. 7.3. If you have any doubt, anything, please feel free to ask me in the comment section, guys. Do not forget that thing. 9.5. Started to fall down. The main thing. $11 profit till now point. Our profit is increasing and increasing and increasing. $10.89. $10 profit already. $10.2 profit till now point.
8.5 USDT profit, going good. Eight point eight. Leverage कितना लगाया? Leverage I have taken 30x. You can see over here. See, 30x of leverage. 8.183 USD profit. It will take almost 3 to 4 hours to complete our trade. 3 to 4 hours. $7.6 USDT profit. Again, those people who have not entered, you are getting a good option to enter. Whenever the rejection happens from bottom, you are having a good. Hi, user 72, 972713. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. Those people who have not entered that till this point, please make sure whenever the rejection comes, that is a point for you to enter in this live stream. Welcome user 264234. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. They have taken a trade in Resolve USDT. Entered price at 0.07411. Target I have kept for 0.07032 because of the demand zone. Demand is there. I can clearly see the market has started traveling from the supply and coming back to the demand zone. These are the 1 hour small demand zone we are capturing. We will, if you want to capture the main demand zone, but the main demand is very far away. It is at this. This is the main demand zone of 1 day. We are capturing small demand zone of 1 hour. Okay, if you enter at least with the price of 28 29 and take 30x of leverage, you can earn up to 41 USDT from this trade. And even if I leave, please keep your trade alive and do a deposit. Take a deposit and do the trade. Okay, make sure that you are clicking on the deposit button of the live stream and doing the deposit of 10 USDT and starting the challenge with me. 8.29 USDT. Nine USDT. 9.5. Okay. Never forget, market analysis skills is the most important. How did I find this trade? Just by doing market analysis. Just by finding zones in the market, demand zone, supply zone. If there is fair value gaps, fair value gap helps. If there is liquidity zone, liquidity helps. Some chart pattern helps, candlestick pattern helps. Right now in this structure, what I did just from demand zone to demand zone. Demand zone, I thought the market can pump over here from that demand zone, but did it pump? No, it did not pump. So we find another demand zone just below it, because if it breaks, then it will go to the next one. Simple. Just by finding out zones in the market, you can take a such huge amount of good amount of profit from the market. Do not forget this. A huge amount of profit comes with a huge amount of learning. Without knowledge, do not enter in the trading. Directly doing trading without knowledge is the most riskful thing. Same like if you don't know driving, don't drive. 9.9 USDT till now point. Till now point, you have achieved 9, hoping to get 41. I won't close this trade until my target is hit. I want my target to hit. That is the main thing which I need. My target should be hit 0.07032. The market will come down to. Yesterday, same thing happened. I couldn't enter, but today I want to enter and I will enter for very, very sure. And I know, see, 30x of leverage is actually a quite a lot, but if you are confident, then it's fine. It's gonna work out for your profit only if you're confident enough. 10 USD profit till now point. With this note, I will also like to tell you this thing that I won't be here for the next 4 days. I will be coming back after the 4 days. So do not forget this one thing, that even though this trade is going to be there, or the next thing, or the next thing, or next thing, do not forget to keep yourself engaging with the knowledge of the trading. To, if you seriously want to gain a huge amount of profit from the market, every day you want to earn profit from the market. Okay, keep yourself engaging, keep yourself having the knowledge of the education regarding trading. Okay, make sure to do that. Now I'll be taking a leave over here, and I will be going, see, 11 USD profit, and we may be earning more from that. 11 USD profit till now point. It will turn 12, 12 will turn 15, 15, 20, 30, and 40, 41 is my profit, which I'm hoping to get. Okay, so I'll see you guys after 4 days directly on Friday. Thank you so much for being on this live stream. Thank you so much for coming on this live stream. I really, really appreciate coming on here, providing knowledge. But do not forget this one thing, that you need to ask, you need to learn knowledge. This is live stream is regarding learning knowledge. It's not a show which is going on, you watch it and then you go, you watch it and you go. This is where you gain knowledge. Okay, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Keep that trade active. Target is 0.07032. Do not forget it. Okay,